This one other thing I want to show you though is you go up to Tools and Settings. We click on Tools and Settings. Something called the Keyword Planner. Let's click on it. This is going to help us find new keywords, and it shows us basically how much people are paying, or what the average cost. So let's say that I want to discover new keywords. I can also get search volume and forecast. I want to know how many people are searching for. I can get that information from Google. They want to give you information like that. I can click on Discover New Keywords. New York, right? And this is the one that I want to search for. Let's click on Get Results. And now it's going to show us different variations. Keywords that we can end up targeting in our ads in the future. Digital marketing. Digital marketing agency, New York. New York City. New York City. And then what's really important is, how much are people paying for these advertisements? And so we can see the low range and the high range to get people to click on their ads. I mean, this is New York City. And if depending on the business that you're running, or for your plumbing business, these rates are gonna be totally different. But you know, Digital Marketing Agency NYC has low competition, according to Google. Expenses for us, and 43 per click per person who's clicking on that. So that's really not too bad. It's nice to have this information. By using the keyword plan, and we can add them into our new ad group, right? We can make a new ad group, or we can group that we might already have. I would suggest going around. You can download these as well. You can look for, different time frames. Once you do that, feature that you can have in there. Let me know your questions down below. I'll try to get back to you. We've been getting flooded with messages lately though, so thanks for watching. We have lots of more ads videos coming out for Facebook, YouTube ads, a lot of videos like that. Drop a like on the video if you haven't done so already.